Hi folks, tax filing season is upon us. I want to let you know about several opportunities that are available to assist taxpayers in filing their federal and state income tax returns, as well as about ways my office can help seniors claim their property tax and rent rebates. Did you know that if your adjusted gross income is $58,000 a year or less, that you are eligible to prepare and file your state and federal income taxes online for free? Simply go to www.pafreefile.com. Again, that's www.pafreefile, all one word, .com. If you go to the site, you will be asked to answer a few short questions that will let you know if you qualify for the free service. If you do, you can gain access to a variety of professional tax preparation software programs at no cost. These programs are secure, professional, and would, in many cases, otherwise charge a fee if not offered through this special service. They will guide you through the income tax filing process and will permit you to electronically file your return with both the IRS and the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue. Not everyone is required to file income tax returns. If you have questions about whether you must file, please check with a local tax professional. However, most people who draw income from employment, interest payments, retirement income, dividends, or other sources will need to file. The deadline to do so for both state and federal income taxes is Tuesday, April 15th. Many local units of government also levy income taxes. If you have questions regarding local income taxes, please check with your municipality. And now, property tax and rent rebates for seniors. As you know, I have been at the forefront of the effort to abolish Pennsylvania's antiquated and unfair system of property taxation. I have had senior citizens come up to me at events in tears, describing how they can no longer remain in homes they've lived in for 20, 30, and in some cases 50 plus years. These are decent, honorable Pennsylvanians who worked hard, raised families, and played by all the rules. Now, in what are supposed to be their golden years, they find themselves crushed by the burden of outrageously high property taxes. This is wrong, and I'm continuing the fight to eliminate property tax in Pennsylvania once and for all. That legislation, Senate Bill 76, is still alive in the Senate, and I am hoping it will receive a vote this year. It's not only property owners who pay property taxes. If you rent an apartment or home, you are also paying property taxes. Those costs are factored into the rent you pay each month. When property taxes go up, rent goes up. While we still have a long way to go to liberate citizens from property taxes, Pennsylvania does offer some individuals the opportunity to recoup a portion of the property tax payments they have made. The Property Tax and Rent Rebate Program benefits eligible Pennsylvanians age 65 and older. It also applies to widows and widowers age 50 and older, as well as people with disabilities age 18 and older. The income limit is $35,000 a year for homeowners and $15,000 annually for renters. When calculating that amount, half of Social Security income is excluded. The maximum standard rebate is $650, but supplemental rebates for qualifying homeowners can boost rebates to $975. Now, I realize that is a drop in the bucket compared to what many people pay in taxes, but it is a start. The rebate program is funded by proceeds from the Pennsylvania Lottery. The deadline to apply for property tax and rent rebates is June 30th, and my office is able to help you in completing the forms. I encourage you to call or stop by my district office where trained staff is available to guide you through the process. My office number is 412-653-1025, and the address is 1002 Old Hickory Lane in Jefferson Hills. And at your request, I have established special office hours in Elizabethboro to aid residents with the completion of the property tax and rent rebate forms. This is something new that I am implementing due to high interest from the public. My staff will be at the Elizabethboro Municipal Building on Tuesday, March 18th, and Tuesday, April 15th, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. to process property tax and rent rebate forms. When you come to my district office or the satellite office in Elizabethboro for assistance with these forms, it is extraordinarily important that you bring several items with you. Without them, my staff will not have the necessary information to process your rebate. Those items are receipts for any county, municipal, and school district taxes you have paid, any 1099 forms you have, which are necessary for income verification purposes. And if you are seeking a rent rebate, please bring a signed receipt from your landlord. I want to underscore something. Assistance with property tax and rent rebate forms is available for free through my office. Some vendors have been contacting seniors and offering to provide this service for a fee. I encourage you to ignore them and to use the free service I offer instead. There is no need to pay anybody to help you with property tax and rent rebate forms. It is an honor to serve as your state representative. Until next time, God bless.